Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Market Misfits. So today is the day of the deadline for the Bitcoin ETF. With that being said, we are seeing Bitcoin dominance go down. Wouldn't be surprised to see a pullback on the news, a little bit of sell the news and pump the altcoins. So let's get into this and then we'll take a look at the charts and see what's still flying low on the radar. 7 cryptos under $1 with strong potential for growth. Following a recent correction in the broader crypto market, we have highlighted the top 7 altcoins under $1 that have strong potential for growth in the bull cycle. In anticipation of potential Bitcoin exchange traded fund ETF, crypto investors have focused their attention on the world's largest cryptocurrency by market cap while neglecting altcoins. The focus is currently on Bitcoin because the SEC's decision on multiple Bitcoin spot ETF applications is expected to come this week. This has contributed to the consistent surge of Bitcoin prices, with the top asset spiking over 47K earlier today. As Bitcoin surges, the broader crypto market continues to retrace, giving investors the opportunity to scoop up these altcoins at discounted prices. So we were thinking this already was going to be a good possibility that we could see this happen when we were looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart. And you can see, we're going to go over this too. We're going to see that it's going down. So, this could be like a last ditch effort to get in on some of these altcoins, not financial advice, but they're pulled back pretty good right now. So, and we're seeing Bitcoin pull back. And so they're looking like they're setting up. We're going to be covering them. Let's get on with this article. We'll take a look at the price action. Prominent crypto analyst Michael Van de Pope speculated that investors' attention will be redirected to altcoins after the ETF event. Altcoins suffering as Bitcoin ETF week is approaching. Not strange, as the focus is entirely skewed towards Bitcoin. After the ETF, momentum is likely coming back into altcoins. Range remains defined on Bitcoin, buying 10% plus dips, selling at 48 to 51K. So here we are. Let's take a look at this chart here. So high range, so this is where they're expecting. This is kind of where we were speculating that we would see price come up and hit these liquidity up here at around 50K and then come and retrace back down low. They have theirs going to 38. So, thinking maybe possibly even this, we could see the altcoin surge of a lifetime if we see altcoins going up, but sentiment stay positive. So, still good fundamentals, basically meaning for Bitcoin. So sentiment positive, but a retracement, and we see altcoins continue, then that will still show that there's healthy strength in the overall crypto market, and it's not just Bitcoin thriving. So we could see the altcoin season of a lifetime. Let's get back to the article, see what else is happening. We're going to take a look at these altcoins on the charts, a few of them. So top 7 altcoins under $1. With altcoins expected to gain attention after the ETF event, we've compiled a list of 6 crypto assets under $1 that could potentially be an ideal investment during the peak of the bull market. Number 1, Cardano. We have all these analysis also, and we're going to cover at the end of the video. So stay tuned to the end. Make sure and stay tuned to the end, because all of these cryptos, we've done detailed analysis with AI and have put them in our passive day trading model that we're getting ready to launch. Let's look at this one first, Cardano. Cardano ADA is the first crypto asset on the list. ADA is rated among the top coins with enormous potential for growth during a bull market due to the constant development being carried out by the team. Interestingly, Cardano led other crypto projects in terms of development activities last month, playing a major part in ADA's rally. Although the bull market has yet to enter its peak, ADA has surged over 60% in the past year. The recent correction in the broader crypto market caused the asset price to decline by 17% over the past week. In the hours leading up to press time, ADA was changing hands at 51 cents, up 1.6% on the daily chart. Ranked XRP, ranked as the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, XRP is currently the only crypto asset with legal clarity in the United States. While this development has not yet impacted the asset's price, several market analysts predict that XRP would rank among the top gainers in the peak of the bull market. So we were just looking at it and we had a breakout on XRP. We're going to be definitely checking out that chart. Furthermore, the widespread adoption of Ripto's crypto payment technology is also expected to bolster the price of XRP. Specifically, Ripple's on-demand liquidity solution to rebrand the Ripple payments leverages XRP as a bridge currency for cross-border settlements. Top financial institutions, including Tranglo and Onfreak, have processed billions of dollars worth of cross-border settlements using the payment solution. At press time, XRP was trading at 56 cents, down 0.3% in 24 hours. Polygon. So if you remember, it was Grayscale that had taken off Polygon and replaced it with XRP. So they sold off their Polygon and replaced it with XRP. But this is definitely on our list too. We've been doing analysis, a deep and detailed analysis on these coins. So we're not surprised to see these on here. Doge is also one of them. Matic, the official token of Polygon ecosystem, is the third coin on our list of crypto assets under $1 that has strong potential for growth. The Polygon network is currently one of the most prominent layer 2 blockchains globally, attracting the attention of top decentralized applications, or DApps. The interesting part of this is that these projects require a user to pay gas fees in Matic, thus bolstering the demand for the 16th largest cryptocurrency. At the time of writing this line, Matic was exchanging hands at 80 cents. Matic has slumped over 20% in the past week, giving investors the opportunity to acquire the coin for a discount. So we see big upside potential for Matic, as it's basically the bridge for Ethereum to be able to do what it does. And, so the scalability is a big advantage here. Dogecoin. Doge is one of the cryptocurrencies that are expected to experience tremendous growth in the upcoming bull market. The top meme-based cryptocurrency has recorded widespread adoption in recent times. Interestingly, the relationship between Tesla CEO, so this is why we're so bullish for Doge. Tesla CEO Elon Musk and Dogecoin founder Billy Marcus has also helped to bolster Doge adoption. So there's some speculation that Elon's the creator of Doge and that they're working on AI stuff or whatever for it to come up to par to serve a part on his platform X Twitter, which he's going to be converting into an everything app, and claims that it's going to hold half of the world's value. The American businessman tips Dogecoin to become the currency of the internet. So that's, again, maybe more than half of the world's currency, because everything is just about online now, just about, if you think about it, digitally. Notably, Musk went a step further by adding Dogecoin as a payment method on Tesla and SpaceX. So he's already integrated it on his other ventures. With the crypto community expecting the coin to be integrated as a payment method on X platform, Doge was down 15% in the last week to 7 cents at the time of writing this line. Shiba Inu. Shiba is a popular name in the crypto market and is currently trading below the $1 mark. At press time, Shiba Inu was exchanging hands at 50935. 0.50935, representing a 13.7% decline over the past week. The canine themed token shocked investors in the last bull market following its tremendous rally that turned average income earners into overnight millionaires. With the inception of Shiba Inu L2 blockchain, Shibarium, the vibrant community behind the cryptocurrency, is backing SHIB to replicate the same feat at the peak of the bull market. So again, was thinking the same thing about Shiba, that it would repeat, that it's going to repeat history. Again, not financial advice, but it's funny because these were the top coins that we were just looking at and talking about for our picks. In recent times, many crypto analysts have been bullish on VeChain, but it's still yet to really go anywhere. We got close to our first target and it's turned around. So maybe they're saving the best for last because a lot of these coins right here, they haven't gone anywhere. Following the recent emergence of the Golden Cross on VET's 2-day chart, popular analyst AJ speculated that the coin could repeat a major milestone if recorded in 2020. According to the analyst, the development could see VET spike over 3,000% to $1.14 by October 2024. At the moment, VET was trading around 2 cents. Stellar XLM. So this is the branch of Ripple that fell off, basically. Stellar is a major rival to Ripple. The companies offer crypto payment services just like Ripple. Notably, XLM coin is used as a bridge currency for cross-border settlements, with top financial institutions like MasterCard leveraging the solution. So why XLM hasn't taken off, and it's sticking with XRP, why they stick together, it's kind of weird because it actually is very strange because the guy that left XRP, that helped develop XRP, left and went to develop Stellar. So, and he didn't leave on good terms. Like they had their differences, and he left and went and teamed up and created Stellar. So, something else that's interesting about Stellar that we noticed is that it's most efficient and reaching off ramp border, like global off ramp locations. So remote locations as far as accessibility, world accessibility, and its relation to outer space being stellar, like interstellar, and Elon Musk, along with its lightning fast. And from our personal experience, this is faster than XRP. So, wouldn't doubt at all if XLM could play a role in some of this somewhere, because Elon is all about pushing technology to the furthest corners of the earth. Look at Starlink, and with Stellar beating all the rest of the cryptocurrencies with accessibility to off-border, basically the most remote places in the world, that's saying something. I think we'll have to wait and see what happens there. But notably, the XLM coin is also used as a bridge currency for the cross-border payment systems with top financial institutions like MasterCard leveraging the solution. XLM has a strong potential for growth as is expected to rally massively amid the growing interest in the crypto payment solutions. XLM is changing hands at 11 cents, down 12% over the past 7 days. You guys, so these coins have not gone hardly anywhere. Let's take a look at the charts. Take a quick look at the Bitcoin dominance. So this is down. This is what we were just looking at, but at the same time, it's just going to be really interesting to see, what's going to happen here. So we're at a bit of a support here. Let's go out a little bit. It's fairly consistent. The Bitcoin dominance is really consistent. So if we're going to draw a trend, let's draw a trend real quick. Actually, probably be more like this. Okay. This. So we broke through the other side of the trend. We are tapping into this support here for the Bitcoin dominance. We're going to have to see, we're going to take a look at the smaller time frames when we're going to start looking at these altcoins. Just want to get an idea of what's happening here with the sediment here of the Bitcoin dominance. Now, this is looking awfully close to our setup. See bullish divergence. So we have a descending channel. Only thing is we broke this right here. We broke structure. So this trend, we're like sitting right on this trend. So, if this breaks up and we get our other little shoulder right here and continue, then the altcoin surge may not be as strong, but you never know. We're just got to wait and see. So we'll be watching these levels to see what happens. We'll be looking right about here on the hour, so around 53%, to see what happens if we get it crossover here. Let's take a look at Bitcoin chart, then we're going to take a look at XRP. Okay, so here we were this morning, was looking for a similar type of thing to happen here. On Bitcoin, possibly. Now we're down here. We have not gotten a break yet. A lot of times this will turn into this, but what we might see is Bitcoin retrace. So this is the narrative we're going to roll with, and that's the scenario if Bitcoin drops. If there's a sell the news and pump the altcoin event, then, and I'm looking right here, I'm seeing a bit of a channel. So boom, boom. So I'm seeing pretty much a rising channel. So right here on Bitcoin. So the tendency for these is to break down. So we dropped this in the group earlier. I was looking for a break across this line, hadn't happened. So we'll be looking to see what happens. So if we break out right here, what we want to see is stop here for altcoins, for the potential for this altcoin surge that we're looking for. We want to stop at 46,750 and give it some kind of price action. We want to stop here for the case of the altcoin scenario that we're going to be covering, these altcoins that we're looking at, because this will be the first sign that trend could be about to change. If we fail to see a retest to the resistance trend for Bitcoin, but at the same time, we got to keep in mind the other scenario that we're looking at, and that is this, that we do get our breakout and we climb up and claim this as support first, come up to around 50, and then do a turnaround and see it. So looking at two different variations right here, or possibilities. Pretty much mirror image right there, but that's pretty much what we're looking for. So let's take a look at XRP. So so here we are on XRP, and we are still in this consolidation, but we did just have a strong hour. We're watching this level right here at 58 cents. Let's do this. Let's go out to the weekly. And we're going to go to a different chart because and see how far away are we from the all-time high on this, on XRP. And just once again, why, let's just do it like this. We'll just do this again real quick. This is why people are bullish on XRP. As far as the price action goes, as far as the technical analysis goes, this is what people are looking at. And this probably multiplied by what times, how many bull runs did it miss? So what we're going to do is we're going to double this and see where it takes us. Right here. Okay, so that will put us around $107,000, okay, for XRP. If we did a double, how's that for price prediction? Wouldn't that be nice? We'll have to wait to see how realistically, though, what's the length of time that it would take, or it could take, for this to happen. Looking at a total of a couple of years, that's a massive gain potential right there. So it's been suppressed, for those of y'all that don't know, right here on XRP. Just go over this real quick. For those of y'all that don't know, and when you put this into perspective, how price really is right here, look at how high up this is. This is why people are one of the reasons. Okay, so because right here, when we went to go take off, we were smacked with the lawsuit right here. We were going through, we never got a chance to repeat this. XRP never saw its all-time high again. So, with that being said, that's why it's a lot of people's number one pick. So let's take a look at XLM in relation to that real fast. So XLM is mimicking it quite a bit. And since since they did not really get along, and I don't understand why, to be honest, let me know what you think in the comments. Is there a connection really between XLM and XRP, or is the sentiment the same just because the viewers see them as the same because of the name and who created them and their use case and their similarities? That's something that really kind of I wonder about. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let us know what you think. Cardano. Let's look at the naked chart here. Cardano, we're down quite a ways. Cardano had a crazy, it went from 38 cents up to 69 cents in 2 weeks. Whoops. So, and thankfully it's retraced. So we are 547% away from its all-time high. Let's get a price prediction, a little quick price prediction for XLM. We're just going to do something simple here. Again, we have these detailed analysis of these inside of the passive day trading model. We are not ready to launch yet, but we're getting close. So we are building it off of the Mark Douglas's trading philosophy using fixed variables, passive day trading. So really excited about that. And we're doing it with AI. So we're doing a bit of mix with Mark Douglas, AI, and trading success Forex. Like, doesn't get any better than that, if you ask me. So Cardano, we're looking at $22 Cardano, possibly, if we do a repeat. And then we'll look at one more. Let's look at VET. We'll look at VET and Doge. So we're going to look at this real fast. So we already have this one pulled up because we had a signal out on this. You can see that it got close to the first target up here. Looking like we maybe could round out again. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. But we are, for VET, we're down 921%. And then if we're going to do a quick little price prediction for VET from the low to the high, let's see where it takes us. So we're going to consider where it is here, because we were up and then we had a pullback. Here we are, we're up, because this is going to put it lightly. So we'd be at about $1.50, $1.55 for VET if we took it from there. If we take it from here, which doesn't seem likely because that's the bottom, we're just going to roll with this. Because if this is the bottom, we're going to say that this right here is the bottom. So maybe we can move it up a tad. So this is lining up with the bottom down here. And we're looking at around $2.19. $2.09 right here for VET. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. We're just going to go to the all-time high real quick. And we're going to take a look at Shiba. And then we'll get off of here. So 867%. If Doge repeats, then we are looking. Boy, that was a straight up parabolic move there on Dogecoin. So if we come up from here, that'd put us at about $1.18 for Doge. But if it kicks in Elon's super app, this could outperform Bitcoin. That's why. A lot of people will probably laugh at that. Elon Musk, everything Elon Musk touches goes up, literally. Freaking, he builds rockets. He's going to have the world's largest financial institution or super app, with all he's claiming he'll have half of the world's liquidity in there, or value. So you know, tell me that it can't outperform Bitcoin with utility. The only thing that's trouble that would make it a little bit more difficult is the unlimited supply. So, but other than that, solid. Shiba, we hit our first target on Shiba. How far are we away from the all-time high? 870%. 870%. And if we're going to do from the bottom to the top here, so this had a similar run, and we expect Doge and Shiba to be running together. Utility wise, don't think that Shiba's got the potential that Doge does, but you don't never know. So right here, we're looking at somewhere along these lines. We're back down to, and by the way, not saying like this is very modest. These are very modest predictions here. This is just basically assuming that they're going to go a little bit past their all-time highs, not going over any other metrics other than just the chart look. This is looking at the plain chart. We want to show you this real fast, and then we'll get off of here. I almost forgot the best part. So this is our public pages, what we've been working on, Trading Success Forex. So when we first started working on this, it's been about 4 months, and we had about 100 and something followers. So we've been growing, and it's been really exciting being able to share content with everybody just with this. And so just so y'all know, just to give you a little bit of insight, like what the heck are y'all doing over here? What we're doing is we're sharing content, content creators, traders. And so what we're going for here, what one of our goal is for this is to reach obviously as many people as possible. So far we have done this 100% organically. Our post reach is up to 34,312 engagement. So just this post, here we are down here. So this post down here, we got 16,000 reach, and that's the whole goal. We want to reach as many people as possible with this. And why do we want to do that? Because we want to give them value and help out. So this brings us to Market Misfitz. So group by TSFX. We just started this group. And so this is like a I wouldn't even say beginner's course. This is just a general information. I say just general information. We put out signals, trade ideas in here daily. We trade XRP a lot, but we also look at other altcoins. So here's our growth. If I was going to put my money anywhere, and we do put into this. So a lot of our time and effort has been going into this because this is our main mission, to reach as many people as we can. So this is a free group, you guys. We're doing also analysis in here and dropping it in here for free. Trade ideas, trade updates from the stuff that y'all see us talking about in the videos. We have a training course here, given the lowdown or the basics of what the crypto market is, what's trading and investing, the fundamentals, not a trading strategy, but a methodology. So we're going off the Wyckoff trading method basically here. So, and then we go from here to the starting point to where it gets a little bit more advanced. And so this has the TSFX trading strategy in it. And then from there, we go to passive day trading model. So we use an EA on this, and we're building this with AI. So all of these analysis and everything that we're doing in here, including the trainings and everything, are going to be AI generated but it's going to be us, but it's going to be AI generated. Anyways, we're really excited to get all this stuff together and to have this set up like this, because this way we have different places that we can put people. So if you're a starter, or if you're just a beginner, or if you're just holding cryptos and just want a place to come and be a part of a community for free to get value for free, to get your questions and stuff like that answered for free, then you come to Misfits. If you like what you see here, then you can go to the starting point, start learning how to leverage trade, how to read charts, how to do analysis. You graduate from there, then you can come over here to passive day trading. We're making measured moves and we're going and getting funding from prop firms in here. So that's going to be the main objective for this group. So a passive day trading methodology is you set it and you forget it. We're maximizing on the metrics of mathematics and making measured moves. And so it's passive. You don't go do any trade management. So we're really, really excited about this. We're going to be providing signals, measured moves in this, and we're going to also have a copier service. And we have all that stuff running, but we're really, really excited about this stuff. But anyways, that's going to do it for this one. You guys, y'all have any questions, just reach out and holler. If you want to get into the Market Misfits or any of these others, then just reach out and holler. We're going to be posting promotional codes and everything from inside the Market Misfits. We will holler at y'all later. See ya.